Hey team, welcome back. Today we are reading passage O, the worker, from the third text in the Simple Comprehension series. The worker sat at the desk, shoulders hunched, fingers moving quickly over the keyboard. Words appeared on the screen. Some were deleted and then retyped. A quiet clicking echoed through the empty office. From time to time, the worker would sit up straight, exhale, and sigh. Her work would be finished today. She just had to stay focused. Questions. Where is the worker? What is the worker doing? Were all the words deleted? How do you know that? Is the worker alone? How do you know that? What does the worker feel? Now let's check the answers. Where is the worker? The worker is at a desk. It mentions the desk in the first sentence. Or we could say in an office. It mentions an office later in the passage. What is the worker doing? We could say the worker is working. Or we could say typing on a keyboard. It mentions fingers moving quickly over the keyboard in the first sentence. Were all the words deleted? And how do you know that? No, it says some were deleted and then retyped. Is the worker alone? And how do you know that? Yes, we know the worker is alone because the sound of her typing echoed through an empty office. What does the worker feel? And how do you know that? Well, the worker is tired. And we know they're tired because it says the woman sighed. And we sigh when we're tired. It also says the woman is trying to stay focused. That's another clue that they are tired.